Yo, great. So you guys are doing well, and we want to use this opportunity to thank each and everyone that is supporting me in this journey and trying to build this as one family. So if you're first time watching video on my channel, remember this is Forex Talent, where we show you the update on no deposit bonus and free funded accounts. So if you're interested, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you an update where you can get free account for yourself. It's a lucky win. Okay, so we are going to predict and then win an account from it. So I'm going to show you step by step going to do this and show you the update or the information that is available on the internet. Remember, all this is available on the internet to do research on yourself. I only put it on myself to do research and bring out the information straight for you. So you just have to click and do your own investigation around it, and then you claim the account or you do the necessary tasks to get into the competition to claim the account. So let's move to my Discord server that I'll show you the announcement section where this was made. Okay, so subscribe to the channel if you're interested in more of this. Okay, so this is Blue Guardian. They are pro firm that is in the industry for a while now, and they are giving a price just to predict BTC price. So when you predict the price and it came true, then you will be a winner. So here is it. It's time to predict where Bitcoin will close this weekend. Put your skill into or to the text for a chance to win 10K account. So you are going to win 10K account if you are the first person to predict the price move of BTC or at the exact price that it will be closing for the weekend. So submit your BTC price here. So this is the link form here. I'll show you the link form earlier. Deadline Sunday 12 p.m. Okay, so today I'm recording this video on Saturday. So this video will be uploaded onto my channel at 4 p.m. So you have 24 hours up to Sunday to predict this price move. And then this is why you have to subscribe to the channel, because some of the updates gets old or get expired very early. So if you subscribe to the channel, that is where you get notification to do all those tasks before it expired. Okay, so if you are watching this video before Sunday 22nd of December 2025, then remember this has expired. You have to look for more opportunity. I have a lot of video on my channel. I drop video every single day. So before submitting, please read through all the rules to avoid invalid entry. So I'll share the link in my Telegram channel for you to come and read the rules there. So if two people submitted the same prediction, the person who submitted first win the prize. So assuming we all predict the same price target, and one person posted it earlier than the other, the person who posted it first is going to win the account. Winner revealed on Monday. Good luck to all traders shooting their shot. So that is very simple right there. So this is what I have for you guys today. Make sure you predict your price. So to predict the prices, click on the form right here, and it will take you to a new page where you have to submit your prediction. So here is the form right here. You have to scroll down. Okay, have to scroll down, and what's your Discord username? So you enter your Discord username right here, and then you put your price prediction. What's your registered email? So you put it right there. You fill in all the details. Okay, it's very simple. It's very simple. So to me, I'll just input my username, which is Figo, and I'll come and predict BTC price. So let me just check my chart to see what is there. So I will input my email right here and then submit. For security reason, I will input the email publicly right here. So those are the simple tasks to perform, and then you have entered. Simple. And I will recommend you join the Discord server. All the links will be available in my Telegram channel. To join the Telegram channel to have access to all this, link is in the video description. Goodbye, and then see you in my next video tomorrow. Remember, I drop video every single day.